Clear Bra, North Dallas, 2024 Tundra. I'll remember the year when I get, oh, it's right there, 1794 edition. So full wrap, Xpel Ultimate Plus, full window tint, Xpel XR Plus. And when I say full, it's all the black, chrome, black trim, white. So let's take a walk around this real quick and show you what we got. So we did obviously the full car with the handles, the doors, trim comes off, handles came out so we can get behind them, gas cap came off so we don't have any lines anywhere. We do it on all the installs, up under the bed rails, and coming around, taillights pop out so we can wrap all the way inside these taillights so there's no marks. On white, when it gets dirty, it's going to show an ugly dirt line. And I think pretty much, I don't think there was anywhere we could not wrap. Everything's fully wrapped in, like these fenders fully underneath, all the tips, there's no lines anywhere. All the way inside here, you'll see an edge all the way in deep inside there. Let me try to focus. You can see the line of the PPF right there. But everything goes in, emblems come off, back in the same orientation. All this chrome was done, edge to edge. The black, fully done. He wanted that protected all the way under. Coming around, headlights done. Again, all this nicely done. There are some seams, but they were done perfectly. All this is covered, it doesn't throw any codes. Hood, one piece, fully done, no markings, all edges and corners. Fender flares, fully done, they popped off so we can get the line deep inside. And then our fenders and doors, no lines at all, fully wrapped in behind fender and doors. Mirrors fully done, stalks and all. This is a mirror stock, that's the mirror. Handles again over here, much more the same work. Fully wrapped in, and everything looks great. Truck was fully corrected, meaning polished, decon before we did it. Roof fully done. Let me go up top here. Look at this interior. It's got buckles and stuff. And it's super nice. Fully tinted, all the glass, windshield and all. All these edges are wrapped in here, wrapped under the satellite antenna, fully wrapped into the windshield area. Again, on the bedside here, fully wrapped under the rail. Back window, all that's rolled in. So there's really nowhere, except for where the seams are, where there would be a dirt line up on the bumper. Back here, not gonna lay all this in. So all these letters were trimmed out. It's not gonna stick, especially these little ones. It's unfortunate, but that's what Toyota decided to do. This was removed, put back, all the edges fully wrapped, and that's it. Bumper fully done, and there it is, 100% custom. We don't print a kit and stick it. We make everything ourselves. Any questions, clearbra.northdallas.com, 214-414-3809. If you need anything, I'm Brent, and thanks for watching Clear Bra North Dallas on YouTube.